Hello, beauty enthusiasts. Welcome to the ultimate guide for achieving healthy skin and flawless makeup. I'm thrilled to share essential tips and tricks to help you look and feel your best. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about skincare. The foundation of any great makeup look is healthy skin. A consistent skincare routine is a must. Start with a gentle cleanser to remove impurities. Follow up with a toner to balance your skin's pH. Then, apply a serum packed with antioxidants and nourishing ingredients. Moisturize to hydrate and protect your skin's barrier. And always wear sunscreen during the day to prevent sun damage. Now, let's move on to the makeup part. Before applying any makeup, prep your skin with a primer. This creates a smooth base, minimizing pores and making your makeup last longer. For a natural, everyday look, start with a lightweight foundation or tinted moisturizer. Apply concealer to cover any blemishes or dark circles. Set everything with a translucent powder to prevent creasing and shine. When it comes to your eyes, start with a neutral eyeshadow base. Add a touch of color to your crease and blend. Apply eyeliner to define your eyes. Then, finish with mascara to make your lashes appear fuller and longer. Don't forget your brows. Fill them in, using a brow pencil or powder to enhance their shape. For your cheeks, use blush to add a pop of color and create a healthy glow. Choose a shade that complements your skin tone. Apply it to the apples of your cheeks and blend well. You can also use bronzer to add warmth and definition to your face. Finally, for your lips, choose a lip color that suits your style. You can use a lip liner to define your lip shape and prevent your lipstick from feathering. Finish with a lip gloss for extra shine or a matte lipstick for a bold look. Remember, skincare and makeup are about enhancing your natural beauty. Experiment with different products and techniques to find what works best for you. Don't be afraid to try new things and have fun with it. Consistency is key. Follow these tips consistently, and you'll be well on your way to healthy skin and flawless makeup. Thanks for watching, and stay beautiful.